It is, I can't describe what it feels like to be out of your mind to the point that you feel like the only way that you can get out is to not be here anymore. I can't express what it feels like to have intrusive thoughts that you never had, and all of a sudden out the blue they start coming. I can't explain it, because if you didn't experience it you wouldn't understand. But these are tears of joy, because I know that I go through battles, but I know that if I keep my faith and stay strong and stay working on my mental health, stay working on my physical health, stay working on me, that I will prevail. I will get through. I will be on the other side. But